Welcome! Today we're diving into a recipe that'll add a kick to any meal: hot chili oil. Whether you're drizzling it over noodles, dumplings, or stir-fries, this homemade oil is packed with bold flavors and just the right amount of heat. We'll walk you through every step, from prepping the chili mix to infusing the oil with aromatic spices. By the end, you'll have a jar of this fiery goodness ready to spice up your kitchen. Let's get started. First, we'll need 2 cups of neutral oil. Vegetable or peanut oil works great. For aroma, grab 2 to 3 star anise, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, and a small piece of dried tangerine peel. Totally optional, but adds a citrusy twist. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns for that signature tingle. Now, let's add flavor boosters: 4 garlic cloves, smashed, and a 1-inch piece of sliced ginger. For the chili mix, measure half a cup crushed red chili flakes and 2 tablespoons Korean red pepper flakes gochujang for vibrant color. Top it off with 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon sugar. A little sweetness to balance the heat. Optional? A splash of soy sauce and black vinegar to finish. Get ready. We're turning up the heat next. Let's start with the chili mix. In a heat-proof bowl, add half a cup crushed red chili flakes. For extra color, mix in 2 tablespoons of gochujang. Totally optional, but gives a vibrant red hue. Now sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds for nuttiness, 1 teaspoon of salt for balance, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to smooth out the heat. Give it all a gentle stir and set it aside. We'll be pouring hot oil over this later to bring out the flavors. Next up, let's heat the oil. Pour 2 cups of neutral oil, vegetable or peanut oil, into a small saucepan or wok. Now, add your aromatics: 2 star anise, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, and a small piece of dried tangerine peel if you have it. Toss in 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns for that tongue-tingling sensation. Finally, add 4 smashed garlic cloves and a 1-inch piece of sliced ginger. Heat on medium-low until the oil reaches 200 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 to 121 degrees Celsius. It should sizzle gently, but not smoke. Use a thermometer for accuracy. Overheating the oil can burn the spices and make the oil bitter. Time to infuse that oil. Let the spices sizzle gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the garlic turning golden brown and the kitchen filling with a rich aroma. This is when the magic happens. Stir occasionally to make sure nothing burns. Once the flavors are infused, remove the pot from heat and carefully strain out the spices using a fine mesh strainer. We want all that flavor without the solids. Now comes the exciting part: carefully pouring the hot oil over our chili mixture. Do this in 2 to 3 batches to control the heat and prevent burning. The chili flakes should bubble and sizzle. That's how you know they're toasting perfectly. Stir gently after each pour to evenly mix the flavors. Take a second to smell it: spicy, nutty, and fragrant. Let's finish this up. Once the oil has cooled slightly, you can stir in a tablespoon of soy sauce or black vinegar for extra depth. Totally optional but delicious. Let the oil cool completely before transferring it into a clean, airtight jar. Store it in the refrigerator. It'll keep for up to 3 months. And trust me, the flavors get even better after a day or 2. Now it's ready to drizzle over noodles, dumplings, or stir-fries. Lastly, here are some handy tips to make sure your chili hot oil turns out perfectly every time. First, choose the right chili flakes. Use coarse crushed red chili flakes rather than fine powders for that authentic texture and flavor. If you want to experiment, you can blend in some Korean gochujang for vibrant color and a mild heat. Next, control your oil temperature. If the oil gets too hot, it can burn the spices and give your oil a bitter taste. Keep the heat at medium-low and aim for a temperature of about 200 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. A thermometer is your best friend here, trust me. It makes all the difference. Layer your flavors. If you like a richer taste, try adding a splash of sesame oil to the finished product. It gives the oil a deep, nutty aroma. If you're unsure about the heat level, remember, you can always adjust. After you let the oil sit for a day, taste it, and if it's too mild, add a few more chili flakes or another batch of hot oil. You can always make it spicier, but you can't take the heat out once it's in. And finally, let the oil rest. The flavors develop over time, so after a day or two, you'll notice the chili hot oil tastes even more amazing. Enjoy your homemade hot chili oil.